If your car's brakes are squealing, it's time to listen up. Ignoring it could cost you big time. Hey, Colorado Springs. Ever hear that high-pitched squeal when you hit the brakes? That's your car telling you it needs attention. Ignoring brake noise can lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the road, like worn rotors, damaged calipers, and even a complete brake failure. So, what's causing that noise? It could be worn brake pads, dust or debris, moisture, and even your braking style. And let's not forget those metallic pads, they're naturally noisier. But don't worry, JM Auto Repair has got your back. Our AS certified technicians will inspect your brakes and fix any issues before they become costly repairs. We're a family-owned business with over 30 years of combined experience. Plus, we offer a warranty on our services. Got a busy schedule? No problem. And if you're a military or healthcare worker, enjoy a discount as our way of saying thanks. So, next time you hear that squeal, don't ignore it. Give JM Auto Repair a call and keep your car and your wallet safe. Visit us at jmautorepair.net or call us at 719-350-8100. JM Auto Repair, where your car's health is our top priority.